This is Dr. Greg with another episode of Emotional Wellness Minute: How to Improve Mood with Balance. We can get stuck feeling like we need to be productive all the time, working, doing chores, helping others. And when we do that, we actually lose out on some of the joy, pride, or sense of accomplishment we would have had we actually taken a break or given ourselves permission to relax during the day. On the other hand, we can be looking for quick fixes, things that bring us quick joy, but don't really make us feel satisfied. One of the best things we can do is try to find a balance between these two types of activities during the day, feeling both accomplished from doing something productive and feeling a sense of joy from things that bring us happiness. It's just as important that this becomes a habit and consistent in your life. So take time, practice it, and just make it an intention to bring balance to your day. For more emotional wellness tips, please like and subscribe.